This is our Nepali kitchen in Akron, Ohio. I would like to talk to the cook who are cooking right now. Here, here is Mongol. Hi, Mongol.
Hi.
What you making right now?
This is the chicken tikka masala, and it's the paneer motor, and this one is chicken curry.
So you say that is chicken curry?
Yep, this is chicken curry. This is the paneer motor, and this one is chicken tikka masala. I'm making the three kinds of curry here.
All right. So it looks very delicious. And how about the Sabina Kesang? What you making right here?
I'm making chow mein.
Chow mein? What kind of chow mein is this?
This is pork chow mein.
Oh, it looks delicious.
Thank you.
So there's a Nepali kitchen in Akron, Ohio. So this guy looks like busy right now, and it looks delicious. All right, guys, keep doing. You guys having fun over here?
Yeah, really.
All right, all right, all right.
It's okay, good.